Sales completely depend upon leads. A lot of people say to me that, sir, I am not able to close. I'm not able to generate enough revenue. I'm not able to get more results. I'm not able to create more opportunities. The reason why people are not able to get those results is because we have limited leads. We have a limited set of people whom we are interacting with. And because we are interacting with a limited set of people, so some of them would become a part of our community, others will not. If I give you a harsh reality, if I share it with you, approximately 3 to 5% of the people who are a part of your cold to warm leads are going to become a part of your paid programs, your paid community, your paid products, your paid services, whatever you are offering to them. Do you get that? So we need to completely understand that the inflow of leads has to be a lot. I'll tell you what happened with us. Some of you already know about the story. Once, there was a particular individual. We called him on a Sunday. We told him that today is the last day wherein you would be able to become a part of our community. That person did not enroll on that particular day. Now on Monday, we tried calling him again. Tuesday, we tried calling him again. And then that person said that if your quality, if your program would have been so very amazing, if it would have helped us a lot, then you would have been getting a lot of people who are enrolling to your programs. You would not call us on Mondays and Tuesdays. The reason why you are doing that is because you are not getting enough people to buy your programs, to invest in your programs. And I told my team members that from now onwards, we are never going to have any shortage of leads. I'm going to ensure that we are going to run so many ads that we have got multiple people who are going to become a part of our trainings, our free sessions. Our lead generation would be so high that we would not depend upon anybody else at all. And once I told this to people realized, my team members realized, and since then, there has been no looking back. We have been continuously generating leads. How many of you have realized that if you would have been generating a lot more leads, you would have been making more money today? You would have been creating more revenue. So it's very important that we generate a lot of leads, because lead generation is what is actually going to get us those kind of opportunities that we genuinely want. The problem with a lot of people is we don't know how to generate leads. We don't understand how to get more leads for us. And that is what actually prevents us from getting that revenue. And therefore, I have decided that I'm going to share with you all the ways that we use to get multiple leads for us, so that you would be able to utilize, you would be able to implement the same strategies going for you. The second thing is, when you will have limited set of leads, then what's going to happen is when you interact with people, you would only be dependent upon a handful of people, 5 people, 7 people, 8 people. You would only be dependent upon those people. And now that you are only dependent upon those few people, if one person does not take your call, or if the second person says no to you, your confidence automatically goes down. And that's the harsh reality. Everybody agrees with that? And what you got to understand is, once you would have a pool of people, then it would not matter to you. Second person says no, you go to the third person, you go to the fourth person, you go to the fifth person. You interact with even more people, and you would not be dependent upon the limited set of people who are there, who are only there. And that is why I say to everybody, go and increase the size of the people who are becoming a part of your lead generation campaign. That's extremely important. And that is why I have told this to people on a repeated basis. Sales completely depend upon leads. Because you know what happens is, you get the information, you get some people into your system, then some people get narrowed down. They are going to attend your sessions, and then some people are going to buy your programs or your sessions. That is how a funnel works. A funnel at the top is quite broad, and then once we go down, the size of the funnel automatically decreases, because only handpicked people who are going to take that action are going to continue in your funnel. That's extremely important. And that is why we need to understand that we need to generate a lot of leads. So I hope now everybody is getting that. Sales completely depend on leads. If you're not getting enough leads, you will not be able to generate enough revenue going for you. Extremely important. Now, the first task for you is make a video and write notes on the importance of lead generation. You have to make a video, you have to upload it inside the Sales Bootcamp Facebook group, and you also have to write down notes in your diary on the importance of lead generation.